Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Grammy Crochet, and it's 4th of July still in the evening when, or late actually, uh, it's late. We just got home from all the things I said yesterday I told you I was going to do, because by the time you see this it'll be tomorrow. We went to a rib fest. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm shaking the table. We went to a rib fest, then we went to a minor league baseball game. The Akron Rubber Ducks. Akron, Ohio is where the Goodyear blimp comes from, where they manufacture Goodyear tires. So, hence, I guess, the Rubber Ducks. They used to be Akron Arrows. I don't know why they changed the name. I don't know any of the history of that. But now they're the Akron Rubber Ducks. I did that very quietly for you. It gets very loud. But after the firework, or after the ball game, which they did win, so yay for that, they had a wonderful fireworks display for the 4th of July. It's about 15 minutes long. It's loud. Well, it was loud. Lots of booms and bangs and lots of music. So I'm going to upload that video right now with this little clip. Little introduction. So this is not a yarn video. It is just a 4th of July video showing the fireworks from the Akron Rubber Ducks tonight. Just for those of you that want to watch, those of you that are unable to make it to the fireworks anymore, don't have any in your area or whatever, I thought it would be nice if you could watch this. Now, there is music playing, and I don't know anything about copyright, so this video won't be monetized, so I think I can be able to leave it up if I don't monetize it with the music. So if it changes, I'm sorry. If I have to take it down, I have to take it down, but I'm not putting any monetization on it, so that I think then they'll let it play with the music, because if I take the music out, you won't get any of the sound, and then the fireworks aren't nearly as much fun. But I think my camera did a pretty good job, and so enjoy. Happy belated 4th of July, but still enjoy. Bye.